Meaning of disorientated.
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 Disorientated. Disorientated means to be confused or disoriented, typically due to a lack of familiar surroundings or mental clarity. The result of being disorientated can vary depending on the individual and the specific situation. Some people may experience dizziness, vertigo, or a loss of balance, while others may feel a sense of panic or anxiety. In extreme cases, disorientation can lead to a complete loss of awareness or consciousness. Overall, being disorientated is a temporary state that can occur in a variety of circumstances and can have different effects on different people.